Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country, back again with the 2022 GMC Sierra AT4X. Now, you may not remember, but the last time we had it, this truck had our leveling kit on it. Now we're back with our 4-inch kit on this truck, which actually puts this truck 6 inches taller than a standard GMC Sierra because the AT4X is already 2 inches taller from the factory. With that, we're running our Series 95 wheel in a 22 by 10 wrapped in a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35 1250 22. Now, the factory braking capacity of this truck is more than enough for this wheel and tire combination, but the factory calipers left something to be desired in the way of looks. We fixed that with Rough Country's brake caliper covers. That red really complements the already red factory accents and just adds that extra pop that sets this truck off perfectly. This kit consists of lifted knuckles, drop cross members, as well as a skid plate for the front. It's going to get your AT4X 4 inches taller, but retain the factory dynamic dampening that is specific to the AT4X. The 4-inch lift on this AT4X sets it off, gives it a perfect stance, and really completes the truck. So if you've got an AT4X, we've got the lift for you. And if you don't, we've probably got the lift for you as well. Be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com.